Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, bringing you a video today on this 2009 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. No factory nav. Customer came in, wanted us to change the factory radio. He's going to be keeping this car for a number of years more, and he wanted to upgrade it to today's technology. So what we installed was a Sony XAV-AX5000, and we had a little bit of trouble with this car interfacing with the most fiber optic amplifier. And the reason why we had some trouble with it was the interface that we were told would work with this car actually did not work. So there is an access being AXXESS interface available for this car, but as it turns out, it only works on the versions of this car that have factory nav. As I mentioned in this video, this car did not have factory nav when it first came in. So on our website, there is a new part. It's called the Connects 2 CTS-MC008.2. It is a most fiber optic radio replacement / steering wheel control interface that's designed to work with the Mercedes ML and Mercedes GL from 05 to 11. Turns out it works on 05 to 09 Mercedes-Benz E-Class vehicles as well if the vehicle is not equipped with factory nav and if it has the large FACRA quad lock connector, which obviously you can't see in this video, but this vehicle did have that. So I'm just going to show you a few things. This is the Sony XAV-AX5000. Pretty cool head unit. It's all touchscreen, 7-inch, does CarPlay and Android Auto. It's digital media, so it doesn't have a CD player in it. If I hit the home button, you'll see I don't have any phones plugged into this, so right now it only has tuner, Sirius XM, Bluetooth audio, telephone, and USB as options. We did mount the USB cables in the glove box. They are tucked in behind there. Let me just see if I can grab one here. There's one. I just hit the windshield wipers by accident, but that gives you an idea of where the customer can plug in his phone. This particular vehicle, we also had to use a few other parts. This is the 958718 kit from Metra. It's also made by Connects 2, but it's rebadged under Metra. It fits quite well, looks pretty good. The radio antenna on this car, if you try to use the standard radio antenna adapter, the 40EU10, you will get no reception. So we actually installed a hidden antenna mounted behind the dash so that the customer can still get AM and FM radio. That is a 44UA200 for those of you who are interested in knowing what that is. Now I'm just going to show you a couple of things. Steering wheel controls all work. So we've been able to retain those.
A deal this good won't last. So try Tim's $1.99 chicken sandwich.
So you'll see basically that works. We've also been able to retain the track up, track down. So that changes the radio stations. The phone buttons will work if there was a phone paired to this, and pretty much all the functionality of the radio works that can be controlled through the steering wheel. What doesn't work in this car is fader from front to rear, and that's because the most fiber optic AM interface only has one RCA channel, left and right, 2 RCA channel input. So we've got it connected to the front output of this radio so that the Bluetooth audio still comes through. But that means that if I try to fade it from front to rear, it will not do so. It will not fade. It will balance left to right, but it will not fade. So if you need fader in a car like this, unfortunately, you're into this car for a new amplifier. If you don't care about it, such as the owner of this car, you don't care about fader, you're okay with it just doing left and right, then you can use this fiber optic amp interface. So that pretty much concludes the video. If you or someone you know is interested in adding CarPlay or Android Auto to your vehicle, if you own a Mercedes-Benz, you're looking to upgrade it and you want to add a new radio, most vehicles are covered other than the brand new ones. But we work on pretty much any vehicle out there. So if you are interested in upgrading it, 1-866-824-4118. We are located in Canada, but we ship worldwide. If you do have a car based in the Greater Toronto area and you want us to work on it, definitely come and see us. And that's that. It concludes this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel because it goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.